how to trim video in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily trim your video in CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for trimming and splitting the video, so firstly open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, here is the options of new project. So when you will click new project, you can see your gallery, so you can select any video from your gallery. So after this, click on add options. So when you will click on add options, so you can see your video is added into the timelines. So after this, you can move into the left side. So after this, you can see the last part of video. So after this, press and hold on that part and then move to the left side. So you can see when you will move to the left side, so you can split or you can trim your video. So when you will so guys, in this way you can trim your video. So if you want to remove unnecessary part from the video, so firstly select that part. So after moving into the left or right or moving to the moving timeline, so after selecting the part, so you can see here split option. So click on split options. So after this, select that part and then you can see here delete option. So click on delete option. So you can see unnecessary part is deleted. So guys, in this way you can split or trim video on the CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.